From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. You know what we're going to call this video? We're going to call it What Happened to the Volume, and I'll get to that in a minute. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1887 even early in the day. The low came in at 1875.70 late afternoon, and last we're 1881.70. We're down 1.2 handles. Total volume, this is what I was talking about. 1.25 million minis trade, and 190,000 of that came from GLOBEX. That's very little volume. And in the big S&P, we've traded 2,400. The MOC, we had a total. We had two estimates: buy 450 million to buy 485 million. The cash close came in at 1881.30. And tomorrow, Richard Fisher speaks, and we've got the jobs number. Now, this is an all-important number for a lot of reasons. One, we've seen a big depression in the number of jobs created. And now, as the weather improves, and some of this climate stuff that was happening to the job creation area is showing that we may end up with a higher jobs number. Now, Bloomberg estimates was 190,000 non-farm payroll to 275,000. MRTOPSTEP'S coming in at 225. We think we're having a big number tomorrow. Now, the big concern here is, can the S&P trade to 1,900? Sure, it can trade to 1,900. That's exactly what it's doing right now. It's been back and filling since last Thursday and Friday. But the big question here is, what happens if the S&P gaps sharply higher on big volume? I'll tell you what happens. We go right back to MRTOPSTEP'S rule about counter trend Friday. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.